Kaka-finish lang namin na makeup gig. 2 persons lang sila. And then, pupunta na naman kami sa another client because our call time is 10. So, it's already 8 a.m. And kakain muna kami. We're going to eat our breakfast, and then after that we're going to go straight to our next client, and then after that we're going to the Adams Family press conference, and after the press conference we're going to kain muna kami. Bye-bye!
One hour later.
When you're an adult, you need a woman to hold. Just pour how shit
Flip the switch.
and wait till things get hot. When you're an adult, you have to really split up. Hot, so give us shadows and give us blue. Broken glass in a motel room. Something fun we can all exhume and give it all tonight.
And on this night, we summon our beloved ancestors. Why do we do this?
Because living or dead, family is still family.
Yes, and how do we do this?
By dancing on their graves.
Yes, dance, my brother Fester. Time to wake the dead.
Once torn asunder, down 6 feet under, we get together here.
Dead for forever, dead from whatever called now to reappear.
Every Adams starts from another once in an atmosphere. Hold your decaying here, what we're saying, time now to give a cheer.
Line dance. Body hop. Do the twist.
If it would really touch the hearts of the Cebuano, why not? Because that is my mission to really do this. I'm doing this for the Cebuanos, and hopefully for the people from Mindanao and other places of Visayas.
Ako kay haggard na kayo ko. Guys, so papunta na kami sa next namin na Rocket. Kanina nag-makeup, nag-cover ng event. Unfortunately, hindi ako nakaabot sa Nestogen na event. Doon na lang ako sa ano pala guys. It's ano ba yun? Adams Family Theater Show. It will be this coming October 20. Meron akong ticket. Aray, ano ba yun? It will be this coming, ano siya, The Adams Family, the Broadway musical show. It's this coming October 20, Saturday at SM City Cebu, Cinema 1. And the ticket is, I have the 400 pesos ticket. Yeah, and I'm going to place the link on the description box about the owner of this, the producer of this, and the director is from Vaudeville Theater Company. And congratulations. So we're heading right now to our next event. It's not really an event. Ano siya guys? First time na-hire ko as videographer. Oh my God, hindi naman ako maganda hindi naman ako magandang mag-video. So they said that they trust me. Oh my God, ganon ang life. So papunta na kami guys, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe naman guys. Kahit pangit ang lola nyo, subscribe pa rin ha. Pero ang guwapa. Wa pa kay akong amiga og noon sa naming akong iyaan. Sige na, chika-chika. Bye-bye. See you. Mwah.
Top earner. Congratulations, Miss
Mary Irene Shane Arsenal!
One network, one company, one BBC. One network, one company, one BBC. One network, one company, one BBC.
Thank you po sa award. Thank you po TTC. Thank you po sa lahat ng team ko. Thank you po. Thank you po. Para sa atin po to. Congratulations!
Hi guys! So we're going home na. It's already 8 p.m. So I'm super late. So that's the end of the vlog. Thank you so much for watching guys and congratulations to Shane! Nanalo siya. She's one of the top awardees. Congratulations and thank you for hiring us. I